Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we will be showing you how to throw a 5G hotspot from a Ethernet connection. So for this, let me first of all forget this Wi-Fi connection and connect to the Ethernet. So let me forget this and now let me connect my Ethernet. So first of all, I have plugged one side of my Ethernet cable to my router, the other into my laptop. Here my Ethernet is connected and now I have to go to settings. For Windows 11 it is very easy to do this, but for Windows 10 you will be facing some problems. I will also try to resolve these problems. Go to mobile hotspot and from here share connection from Ethernet and share over Wi-Fi. So you can edit your SSID name if you want. So it's I will keep my channel name and password as password for right now, and I will be preferring 5G band. So when I click on save and click on this on button, then I will show you from my mobile screen. So from my mobile screen, when I go on Wi-Fi and see here you can see the hotspot, that is substrate puzzle, which is in 5G as you can see. Now if I enter the password for it, that was password itself, and when I click on connect, then it is working perfectly. And you can also see here the Wi-Fi 5 and the connectivity is 423 Mbps. So I'll also show you by just a simple speed test. So here you can see a simple speed test that is showing our 5G hotspot Wi-Fi strength, that is around 120 Mbps. Similarly, in Windows 10, you may face problems like hotspot not being turned on or mobile device unable to connect to the hotspot. In such cases, we have to head to device manager. And for the better demonstration, I am showing this by switching in Windows 10. So head to device manager, go for network adapters and right click on your wireless adapter and click on properties. After going to properties, click on advanced, and from here you can choose this 5 gigahertz 802.11a. Here after you choose 5 gigahertz, then your PC will show only 5 gigahertz of networks and will ignore 2.4 gigahertz. So keep in mind that when you set this option, all the 2.4 gigahertz networks will be disappeared from your available networks, and only 5 gigahertz networks will be shown. And you can also switch back to normal dual bands at any time by just by visiting and changing from here. And next thing you have to do is go to preferred band, and here your default will be no preference, and you have to select this prefer 5G band. It also focuses on just searching for 5G networks and throwing 5G hotspot from your device. After that you will be able to throw 5 gigahertz of hotspot using Ethernet from your laptop. And if you face any problems, you can just visit here and change these values to the default values. So before changing these or altering these values, make sure what your default or actual existing value was. This will be better for you, just like a restore point or a restore guide to go back to normal if anything goes wrong. About 99% of my viewers are not subscribing, so please do support by like and subscribe.